We've had a thrilling day on the Albanian coast. Now that our intimate horse dinner date is over, we've decided on a romantic riverboat cruise to see if there's more to Divjaka than a horse waiter and a bad beach. Is it raining? I hadn't noticed.
You sure got the weather for this booking, Sarah?
Lynn?
Hello.
Hi, I would like a boat ride, please. So there's a... What's a daisy? Oh.
You OK?
Yeah. I'm not elegant, but I am OK.
OK, I'm not elegant either. Help me.
Yeah, there we go. A lovely day on the river. You like rain?
I like rain. Normally, I like watching it through glass. But this is more of an immersive experience. Oh, it's getting heavier.
It's getting heavier.
That's all right, pal. You keep the brolly to yourself. And your coat.
Oh, where's the rain? Who turned the rain up? Someone turned the rain up. That's crazy.
Wow.
Oh, we're in South America.
Oh, God, it's...
OK. Well... Woo! Don't tip us.
Oh, my God!
Don't tip us.
Don't tip us over.
Don't tip us over. Oh, it's good fun, though.
Yeah.
Say what you want. It is good fun.
God, I'm having the time of my life.
Oh, I am living right now. This is actually stunning. We're badly dressed for it. We were expecting...
There's no such thing as bad weather. It's just
bad
bad clothes.
Yeah, we're just not in the best of clothes.
We needed goggles.
We needed goggles.
We needed flippers.
Flippers.
Scuba
Scuba wear.
Oh, my God.
It is actually really beautiful. Like...
I wouldn't say really beautiful.
I think it's really beautiful.
OK.
Even in this rain, I would give it 5 stars. It's hailstones! Is that... What comes out of there? Let's not think about it.
Yeah.
We're having a nice time. Albania, if you're looking for a trip of a lifetime, something different, sure you could come down this river on a nice day, but what are you learning? What are you feeling? Yay! Hold on.
Thank you. Hold on. Thank you.
Woohoo! Don't tip us, though.
I don't think that we could be any wetter, even if we fell in the
No,
water,
but I'm worried there's
Roisin.
probably-
Eels, maybe.
Yeah, I know. Breathe into it, Roisin.
I think it got that balsamic vinegar out that I spilt on my skirt as well. I'm going to shake myself like a dog.
Yeah, we're going to have to. Ooh.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
OK. It wasn't raining in the pictures.
It's a different thing when it's raining.
I think this is like why monks live in horrible places and do horrible things.
Yeah.